everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know, this is my channel. I am Bella. If you're new, how you doing? Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you're old, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So like the last video, no, my camera did not cut off, but I chose to stop it because I just wanted to show the eye look. That was the point of this. That was the point of this look, so that's what I wanted to show only. This is really something on the simple side. I really like it. It's really like it gives me like a mixture of like spring and fall vibes right now, with the shimmery lid and then the real fall. I can't think, but yes. So if you have not already seen my last video, don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like those videos and comment if you have anything you want to say. And yes, so without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go ahead and let you get right into this wonderful eye tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Okay, as you guys know, I am using my NYX cream concealer base in the shade Invisible. Y'all, the funny thing is I have not yet to check the bottom of that, and I just keep telling y'all the shade and I don't know if it's right. I'm sorry y'all, but yes, and I'm taking my Real Techniques concealer blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that out evenly. Doesn't matter if it's all crazy all over, you know, you clean that up with the foundation and all of that. But yes, so next I am gonna go ahead and go into my Zulu palette and take that yellow shade as my transition color, and I'm just using my puffy shady shadow brush. I don't have a name to it. I told y'all a long time ago that I had got this from Amazon, so it don't have a name. Okay, so now I'm going into my Dare to Create palette with that orangey, real bright burnt orangey shade, and I'm taking that as my second color. I really like this. I wanted to go for a real smoked out kind of fall look, with a hint of a bright, well, not a hint, but with a big bright shade. So that's why I said this look is kind of like a fall mixed with like a spring type of look. Then I noticed I'm like way ahead of the video, but my crease could have been higher than what it was. I second guessed myself and it kind of like messed up with the shimmers, the shimmery color I put on my lid. You'll see in the beginning, I mean you'll see after, but yes, I took the same shade but a deeper shade of that burnt orange and used that into my crease just to deepen the colors up a bit, and then I blended that out. And after I used that, I went ahead and took my crease brush and went back into that same palette and used the black on my outer corners and in my crease area to give it that depth effect. So to even the ends of the blackout, because I didn't want it to be really harsh, I went ahead and went back into that deeper orange and smoked out the black, which gave it that ashy black effect, which I kind of liked. I didn't want it to be really harsh, so I kind of liked that ashy black effect once I blended the edges out, and it kind of made it look brown a little bit, so I guess it all worked together. But here I'm cutting my crease with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm using a small rounded brush, Real Technique rounded brush. I really like this small brush for cutting my crease. It just seems so much better and it shapes my crease so much more than a bigger brush. But with this crease, it's very complicated with my eyes. I should have took it up a little higher than what it was, and I feel like so right here I went ahead and used this pink shimmery shade from, I believe this was the Juvia's Zulu palette, but I took this really pink I want to say spring shimmery shade and put it on my lid. I thought that was really different and cute for a smoked out fall look, and then a shimmery blue lid. Then I used my e.l.f. all black eyeliner and gave myself a small little wing and put on my my Luxe lashes in the shade in the style Malia.
Young Moonlight, baby.
She rock to the east, she rock to the west, she rock to the east, she rock to the west, she rock to the east.
I need all my bad sweats to get on the dance floor right now. Yeah, come on.
Wop, 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 wop,